Hello, Sonny Bonani.
Yeah.
Another day, another flight, another show.
More jokes.
Yeah,
Panini.
Yeah, today. I don't know what's happening with my face. It's peeling.
When you stop being funny, funny things that happen.
Hey, let me turn this off. I need to discipline when you said something very unnice to a comedian.
When? What did I say?
What's in the
Because they're not funny.
The bags from Alpha 10 over to us, and we're just trying to track down a supervisor in order to actually get that sorted, and they should be on their way shortly.
Danke Mango.
Lalela Omengo is a gift to the comedians. They've just loaded the bags in the wrong flight.
Yes, that's what happens.
Because our thingy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board one of Mango's Boeing 737-800 aircraft. South African Civil Aviation regulations require that all cabin baggage be securely stowed for takeoff and once again for landing. A very warm welcome to all our South African Airways codeshare and Voyager passengers. A special welcome to all our Momentum Multiply guests, who as a reminder can qualify for up to 50% off flights. Join Multiply today and visit flymango.com to book. Terms and conditions apply. We trust that you'll enjoy this flight with us today.
Thank you, Mango. What would we be without you, Mango?
It wouldn't be a cruise cocktail.
Yes.
Maybe in a fruit salad we should replace mango with tomato. I respect it more as a fruit.
In a land.
Yeah, so we're waiting for our bags. Well, not even our bags, because we didn't check in any bags. That's why you were like, our side.
Eternity later.
Who packs in the wrong bag?
Who are we?
And who loads the bags, not saying which flight they're loading it on? Who checks the tickets and the bags? Because they're supposed to scan and make sure they're getting what about this last week?
So the bags that they found at Alpha 10 were actually for Kalula. They managed to track down the bags at Alpha 12, so were they apparently right next door to us on that aircraft, and now they're going to be coming to this aircraft, so we just have to wait.
Such a joke. But I'm grateful.
Hey, I hope my 2 million is still there.
My job is now extended. They keep extending my job, this airline. So, last week we were on Mango, and just before takeoff, you know when they start thingy on the runway, and then we stopped, and there were passengers for Cape Town. So in the Cape Town it was like, welcome to Mango to Durban. People were like, like about half the flight we're going to Cape Town. The people at the door didn't they check, and because it was parked so far away, we were brought by the bus.
Yeah.
So they just put people to Durban and people to Cape Town.
Let's go. Let's just go.
Like, but I mean, the reason they look at your flight when you enter the Banoi is to make sure you're on the right one. Like about half the people were on the wrong side.
I like. Are we even in the right flight? Is everyone going to Mozambique? Am I the only one?
You're the only one going to Mozambique. We're going to Bulawayo.
Oh, okay.
But it would be nice if we just landed in Zanzibar.
Right? Oh, we've got work. If we were just going to pleasure. Yes. And they're like, no, it's fine. All expenses paid. It's our mistake. Y'all can stay. We'll pay for everything.
Yes. We are still here. 2.5 hours later.
Yes.
Still here.
Hashem.
Still waiting.
Once you pay for your flight, you are just a passenger. You are no longer a customer. You
Abangawukwazi seteksini ngoba sesicela imali yethu taxi driver and just leave siyofuna enye taxi. Manje pilots are not even trusted by their employers to count the money. Yet they trust them with our lives. But they
I think they should have just taken us to that other flight.
And where the luggage
because
was.
the luggage is taking longer to come this side. So
they could have just put us there with the baggage.
Yes, let us just join those ones. Wherever they are going, we'll just go. Destination unknown. Hello.
Zam, we're on the flights. Let me video call you. Why is my internet acting up?
Okay folks, the good news is I managed to go Lolo's bags myself, and we're gonna get going soon.
Thank you. Wow.
He loaded it himself.
Years later.
Gilambe. So stop nonsense.
What's up?
We are finally in Durban. Hey. Hello Durban.
Right.
Yeah.
What time is the flight?
Khona ozohleka. Ozohleka.
Can't figure now.
So I was on my way home to Bali. So when you said you asked me to be like I feel like
Okay, let's
go. What are we gonna eat? Mac and bean? Either mac and bean or spag. I mean, we don't have many options here.
Let's go.
Mac and bean is fine.
Good, so good to see you. So really nice.
Alela. Sing pagi no paga.
That's my view. Durban has just the most amazing views. That's the view from my hotel. Why would I not be inspired to work when I have such a beautiful view? I could do Durban every day. I wish I was staying here a little longer than I am. But I need to go and eat. I need to feed the body. Views are not gonna feed me. Beautiful people, I'm on my third restaurant in 20 minutes because I am traveling with divas who could not decide what they're gonna have. Just as I was ready to order, they asked us to get up and go to a better place.
Of course, value for money.
But the first place they had a private party, Christmas parties. The other place they had, it just didn't look nice. Well, didn't look appetizing. Didn't look appetizing. At least here, we can smell the salt from the ocean. It smells like someone's cooking. The food doesn't even look that interesting. I still believe we could have gone to like Oriental or somewhere else and bought.
But deliver?
They said they don't deliver.
Oh, I would have really loved to
try the proper
chicken curry pasta.
Thank you. You know, I've been coming here for the past 5 days. I've never had like
enjoy.
This one. We are boring. We're having the same thing. At least it's a kitchen. I said kitchen instead of chicken. Kitchen curry. Chicken pasta curry. And I still work. Even when I'm working, I work. Even when I'm eating, I work.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I just did my set down here, and right now, happy, my blood, young blood, old blood, blood of my life. Hey, man, yeah.
Love technician, nizobantu behleke kanti kuthini ebantwini?
Bengibashayela nje ukuthi ababeshow benze show ukuthi banale izinto kuthiwa ama medical aid.
Yes.
Ubuzaspan kuba manje uyabo ukuthi uyakusebenza sala ipose yabe kuthiwa ubuthwa lezimo basomesho leyo nto. Awuyazijoke kanje. Yeah. So ubuthwa lezimo kanti bachaza ngona ukuthi awabange helicopter usali.
Uzoba nojiphozo la imoto.
Abe nojiphozo la imoto.
Uzofisa ukuthi ayokumakheni kuseduze sesibhedlela.
Ngoba
ubayalela ukuthi amandi yabe ekhala ufuna ukekandi.
Hey, so yes, Thenjiwe.
Sanibonani Durban. Wow, ninjani? Naze nabasha kubuhlungile ukuthi njengoba nihleli la khona ocabanga ukubaleka nemali yesitokfela. Inkinga naDisemba mina ngasiyeka isitokfela mhla umama esadlala naye isitokfela senyama decide ukuthi useyi-vegetarian. Bathiwe sihluganiselana inkomo sayibona sesihlukaniselana ikabishi. But indaba sabantu abamnyama sithanda ukudlala into kuphela zayinto expire. Indaba nje amadoda angakahlanganekeli ilanga athi yabo nje. Imagine this big black mic in your mouth. Awasiza wabuya ugesi bese cabanga ezinye izinto political kabi. Angikwazi ukumemeza because last week bengiphelelwe ivoice. So udokotela wami wathi ngingabe ngisascreama ngingazenza izinto ezimemezisayo ngevoice ngoba isifo athe nginaso uthe ngikhuluma kakhulu. So vocal fatigue. Yes. Manje ke mina ivoice yami ngihola ngayo. Angikwazi ukuthi ngingaba nengizo ekumosha nje nakwisho ya 10 rand. Uyacabanga nje bethu udokotela uphuma la nyango utshela osisi basephoyinti ukuthi iba ne-vaginal fatigue. Iba ne-fatigue kanjani into yakho uhola ngayo bakithi? Ivoice yami nje mina ngiyiphatha kahle kabi. And mina I was raised right mhlambe mina akuthi angazi.
Eventually.
Jesu uyakwenza nalokho. Amen.
Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.